Well, well, you're not going to make any freaking effort to stop, lady. I may as well let you out, you know? Hello, 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 hello.
It's a part of a trial run as the Department of Transportation is getting ready to now replace some bridges on the pipe.
Stop.
This week's trial run saw temporary reduced lanes of
Parking lot wide open. And this jerk has to park in the fire lane. And the red. Thank you. Ah! Jesus! Was that at all necessary? Thank you for yielding. Yeah, thank you so much. I wasn't going to yield back there either.
Because of the weather. Actually, just to name a few, Lexington, Concord.
That was a cutoff.
And many more. Manchester, New Hampshire, they've closed all schools.
That was not a yield there. Neither was that. Thank you. No, it was that. He ran the right. He definitely ran. And you. Hi, kids. Anybody want to stop? You want to not turn from the straight lane? Come on, come on. You know you want to fly away. Come on. There you go. What the hell are you doing? You're a freaking moron! Yeah, not even close to stopping. Not even close. Welcome to America. Thank you. Thank you so much. And they're moving over, but you know, waits on by. Thank you. Blinker. Something. What are the is that an exit regret? What the hell did you do that for? He just ran the red light.
So many runs, I didn't
isn't afraid to keep flaunting what he's got, hopefully making traffic a little more fun along the way. In Wellington Circle, Matt,
Shut off.
WBZ, Boston's News Radio.
Celebrating 100 years of public service to New England.
Nope. Jump the bullnose. Red light runner.
In the stunning sights of Europe, and with our robust health and safety program, you can cruise confidently. Book today and enjoy 30% off on cruises, free over
Is that a cutoff?
there and more. Visit NCL.
Not a yield. Not a yield. Ah! That's a reality driver. You stop. This next car is guaranteed not to stop. God damn, I'm good. Yes! Stupid move, kids.